Welcome to Fastlane Tech Training, where we simplify tech and sharpen your skills. Are you looking to take your career in the tech industry to the next level? Then you've come to the right place. In today's fast-paced and ever-changing world, it's crucial to stay updated with the latest technology and certifications. And one certification that's gaining a lot of attention is the Palo Alto PCNSE certification. In this clip, we'll cover everything you need to know about this certification and how it can benefit your career. First, let's start with a quick overview. The PCNSE certification is offered by Palo Alto Networks, a leading cybersecurity company. It's designed to validate your knowledge and skills in designing, deploying, configuring, maintaining, and troubleshooting Palo Alto Networks' next-generation firewalls. It's a highly sought-after certification by employers and is recognized globally. Now, you may be wondering, why should you invest your time and money in getting this certification? Well, here's the key insight. The demand for cybersecurity professionals is at an all-time high. With the rise in cyber threats and attacks, companies are in dire need of skilled individuals who can protect their networks and data. And having a PCNSE certification on your resume will set you apart from the competition and open up various job opportunities and higher-paying roles. But it's not just about the job prospects. This certification also allows you to gain in-depth knowledge and hands-on experience with Palo Alto Networks products and solutions. You'll learn advanced techniques for configuring firewalls, securing networks, and preventing cyber attacks. This not only enhances your skills, but also makes you a valuable asset to any organization. Now, you may be wondering how to prepare for this certification. Well, Palo Alto Networks offers official training courses that cover all the topics and skills required for the PCNSE exam. And here's where Fastlane comes in. As your global IT training partner, we offer comprehensive and interactive training courses to help you ace the PCNSE exam and become a certified professional. Our experienced instructors will guide you through the concepts and provide hands-on practice to ensure you have a thorough understanding of the material. So, if you're ready to take your career to new heights, here's the call to action. Enroll in our PCNSE training course and get certified with Fastlane. Our courses are available both in person and online, so you can choose the option that best suits your schedule. Plus, with our high pass rate and satisfaction guarantee, you can trust us to help you achieve your goals. This clip is brought to you by Fastlane, your global IT training partner. Subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.